Hello all, welcome back to my channel, MeeVasu. In this video, I'm going to show you all a flock of birds making V shape. Might be most of you all have watched it, I'm not sure, but this was the very first time that I saw this, and especially those are making the alphabet in my name, so it is more special to me, and I thought I will share it with all of you. I saw a bird which was trying to position itself perfectly in these V shape. That is really wonderful, and please don't miss this part of the video and stay tuned. Done a little bit of research after seeing these birds making the V shape, and I understood that they make a V shape especially while migrating to conserve energy, it seems. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, MeeVasu. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye.